The main focus of this presentation is both looking at one effective and ineffective resource on how to educate students within a primary age setting about fruits, memorization, and labeling words to real-life objects within a certain time frame. The effective resource versus Tompkins criteria ticks all 5 of the boxes as it motivates students to work hard as well as learn through authentic literacy.
The group activity being conducted consists of 3 children having different types of fruits placed in front of them, including apples, oranges, bananas, pears. Children are then asked to label them to the correct words based on their prior knowledge which has been taught within the classroom. This is seen as an effective resource as it is not just pen to paper. Instead, the kids can challenge each other and see who finishes the activity first within the time frame of 2 minutes. This activity also helps students with critical skills, strengthens their awareness and improves their problem-solving skills, which can be used within their everyday lives. In order for the activity to be completed successfully, the students need to make sure that all the labels have been matched to the right fruits, and if not, they will then be informed on what they got both correct and incorrect, and can then use the knowledge to educate others and have a clearer understanding of the name of fruits.
In Tompkins' table, it is clear that the resource activity that will be used does tick all 5 boxes. The resource allows students to learn through authentic literacy activities. Yes, it does. Through the children matching fruits to their correct names, this allows the students to learn through authentic literacy activities as it allows them to think outside the box and recall and recognition box. Encourages them to create quality work and understands it within their room. The resource allows students to relate to what they know and to what they are learning and is currently responsive. Yes, within the school curriculum throughout the caters to the students learn about both fruits and vegetables. This activity is a fun and engaging way for parents to teach their children at home to get them to learn the topic as well as understanding it in an engaging way for students to learn. How is this resource motivated? By matching words to objects, kids are practicing their visual separation, getting comfortable with matching words to their object.
The non-effective resource versus Tompkins criteria ticks none of the 5 boxes as firstly, the resource fails to enable students to learn through authentic literacy activities, as well as it does not motivate students intrinsically or extrinsically. Also, the resource fails to create a community of learners and facilitate partner work, as well as not adopting a balanced approach to literacy learning and specifically the teaching of grammar. The non-effective activity is a fruit word search where students need to find 5 fruits, which are an orange, watermelon, apple, pear, and an avocado. This is seen as a non-effective resource as it is an activity that is quick, has no literacy or comprehension applied to it. This source can be used for helping students learn how to spell 5 different fruits, as well as present a visual idea of the fruits. This word search consists of only finding 5 fruits, as well as students are only required to highlight or underline 5 words. After evaluating Tompkins' table, it is clear that the resource activity only ticks 0 out of 5, making it non-effective.
Resource. For question 1, we said the fruit word search activity enables students to learn 5 different fruits and have a visual representation of each fruit. However, in terms of authentic literacy skills, it delivers poorly and it's just overall too basic. For question 2, we said no, this does not, as students, yes, learn fruits from kindergarten to around year 2, but it's in a more diverse way. For question 4, we said that this resource does not support all factors of literacy learning, specifically grammar, as it's only a visual activity. This activity lightly touches writing and viewing skills through labeling and just viewing the fruits in general, but it really has a minimal effect on a student's learning. Especially reading, speaking, listening skills are not exposed at all, and it requires just minimum skills. And lastly, for question 5, this resource requires little to no skill, as said before.
The non-effective resource of a fruit word search fails to motivate students intrinsically and extrinsically. in not giving proper value of learning and developing of the literacy, as well as being too basic in children in that they're not going to be getting that much out of the activity by just finding 5 fruits of an orange, watermelon, apple, pear, and an avocado.